Today I will show you how to trackmate any text or any object. So let's go. First of all, open the Premiere Pro and create a new sequence. First of all, import any footage. Actually I import this, then create a sequence. I created this, so drag and drop it. Keep adjusting setting, then this footage fit to frame. Now look clear. Write a text here, track. I will change the front impact and I adjust this text in the middle point. Go to effect panel, search track mate key, drag it and drop this footage, not text, drop it this footage. Then go to effect control and here you see the track mate key. Click video 2 because the text here in video 2 layer, so you just click video 2 and boom, you will animate the text like keyframe in the scale and 20 frame later just scale up, okay, and is and is out. So how is it? It's too fast. Look like how is, yeah, that's good. It will be better when you add sound. I will add a sound FX. Yeah, that's great.